Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast.
We're so happy you're here today. Whether you're studying English for school, work, travel, or simply for fun, this episode is for you.
Today, we're talking about something every English learner experiences: making mistakes.
That's right. Mistakes are a normal part of learning. Even advanced learners make them.
The good news is that when you understand your mistakes, you can improve much faster.
In this episode, we'll discuss some of the most common mistakes English learners make and show you how to fix them with simple examples.
So grab your coffee, relax, and let's learn English together. Mistake 1. Translating directly from your native language.
Many learners try to translate every sentence word for word from their native language.
That's understandable, but English often has different sentence structures. For example, someone might say, "I have 25 years."
But in English, we say, "I am 25 years old."
Instead of translating, try thinking in English little by little. The more English phrases you learn, the more natural your speaking will become. Mistake 2. Forgetting articles. A, an, the.
Articles can be confusing because many languages don't use them.
Learners often say, "I bought car yesterday."
The correct sentence is, "I bought a car yesterday."
Another example, sun is shining.
Correct, the sun is shining.
Pay attention to articles when listening to native speakers. Mistake 3. Using the wrong verb tense.
Tenses are one of the biggest challenges.
Here's a common mistake. Yesterday, I go to school.
Since it happened yesterday, use the past tense. Yesterday, I went to school.
Practice talking about your day using past, present, and future tenses. Mistake 4. Confusing he and she.
Some learners accidentally mix up pronouns.
Example, my sister is a doctor. He works in a hospital.
Correct. My sister is a doctor. She works in a hospital.
Native speakers usually understand, but using the correct pronoun helps communication. Mistake 5. Forgetting the third person S.
This is extremely common.
Learners often say, "He work every day."
Correct. He works every day.
Remember, I work, you work, we work, they work. But he works, she works, it works. Mistake 6. Mispronouncing common words.
Pronunciation can sometimes create misunderstandings.
Words like comfortable, vegetable, and Wednesday are often pronounced differently from their spelling.
Listen carefully to native speakers and repeat after them.
Shadowing practice is one of the best ways to improve pronunciation.
Mistake 7. Saying very too often.
Many learners use very again and again. Instead of very big, try huge.
Instead of very good, try excellent.
Learning stronger vocabulary makes your English sound more natural.
Mistake 8. Being afraid to speak.
This might be the biggest mistake of all. Many learners wait until their English is perfect before speaking.
But perfection never comes first.
Speaking comes first, then improvement follows.
Every conversation is practice.
Don't be afraid of mistakes. They're proof that you're learning.
Mistake 9. Learning words without context.
Some students memorize long vocabulary lists. Then they forget the words a few days later.
Instead of memorizing opportunity, learn it in a sentence. This job is a great opportunity.
Context helps your brain remember vocabulary naturally. Mistake 10. Not listening enough.
Listening is just as important as speaking.
Some learners spend hours studying grammar, but very little time listening.
Listen to podcasts, YouTube videos, movies, and conversations.
The more English you hear, the more natural it becomes. Real-life conversation practice.
Emma, did you make mistakes when learning languages?
Absolutely. I made hundreds of mistakes.
Really?
Of course. I mispronounced words, forgot grammar rules, and sometimes used the wrong vocabulary.
What helped you improve?
Consistent practice. I listened every day, spoke every day, and accepted mistakes as part of learning.
That's excellent advice.
What about you?
I learned that confidence is more important than perfection.
That's true. People usually appreciate your effort to communicate.
Exactly. Most conversations aren't grammar tests.
They're opportunities to connect with people. And that's what language is really about. Final tips.
Let's review today's advice.
Don't translate everything.
Practice articles.
Learn verb tenses.
Remember the third person S.
Improve pronunciation through listening.
Learn vocabulary in context.
Speak without fear.
And listen every day.
That's all for today's episode of our English Learning Podcast.
Remember, every fluent English speaker was once a beginner.
Don't worry about making mistakes.
Focus on progress, not perfection.
Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself.
Thank you for spending your time with us today.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other English learners.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Happy learning and have a wonderful day.